How to fix can't upload on Clapper app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. If you are unable to upload content on the Clapper app, let me guide you to fix the issue. So now, let's get started. First of all, ensure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you have problem with your internet connection, try changing your internet connection. Another thing you can do is update the app. To check the updates for your app, all you need to do is go to your Play Store and search for Clapper. And if you see any updates available, simply update the app, as an outdated app may cause upload issue. You need to also make sure that the file you are uploading meets Clapper's size and format requirements, such as video under 10 minutes, supported file types like MP4. You can also try clearing the cache. Simply go to your phone settings and navigate to apps. Now here again navigate to Clapper, and at the bottom left corner, you can see the option of clear cache. Simply tap on it, and clear cache will remove any temporary files. The next step you can do is restart the app. Close the app completely and reopen it to refresh the upload process. You can also try reinstalling the app. Simply uninstall and reinstall Clapper to resolve any app-related issues. But sometimes Clapper servers may be down. Check their social media or support for any ongoing issues. I hope that these steps should have helped you resolve the issue on Clapper app. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.